Hello students, let's continue our chapter, that is chapter 7, geometry. Topic is open and closed figures. Look at the figures given below. All these figures have different end points. These figures do not end at the starting point. These are called open figures. Now look at the figures given below. All these shapes are made by lines in which a set of points change their direction. Like this. They have the same starting and end point. Thus, these are called closed figures. Let's do question related to the same topic. Look at the following figures. Write open or closed below the figures. You can see it is a closed figure. So write it here, closed. Here you can see it's a open figure. So write it here, open figure. Next topic is symmetry. An object or thing is said to be symmetrical when both of its halves are exactly the same. You can see here it's a circle. I'll mark the line here from the center. You can see halves of the circle exactly same. In the same way you can see the butterfly. If I'll mark the symmetrical line, leaf, like this. Okay. Tiling. When a design is made using only one shape, it is called tiling. Tiling designs are possible when they are made of shapes that fit into one another without any gap or overlapping. Our next topic is patterns. Patterns are found everywhere around us, whether it may be in numbers, designs, etc. They are made in a regular or logical form or order and are mostly repetitive. Let's do question related to the same topic. Observe the following patterns and draw the next. You can see which shape will come here. It will be triangles. So let's draw the triangle here. Join it. Here you can see cross, circle, cross, circle. That means next one is should be cross. Next question is write the next number. You can see 2 plus 5 equals to 7. 20 plus 50 equals to, pattern is 70. 200 plus 500, 700. Here are 3 zeros, so make sure here should be 3 zeros. Now you can see the next question. 6, 7 is missing here, 8, 9 is missing here, 10, 11 is missing here, 12. Now next should be 13 should be missing here and 14 will come here. In the same way you can see 110, 100, 90. It means there is a difference is of 10. 90 minus 10, 80. In the same way 121, 122 is missing, 123, 124 is missing, 125. Now we will miss the 126. Here should be 127. Keep practicing. Thank you.